why we are made.
Basically, humans are designed by the best creator in the best form. They are designed to deliver the best. They are designed to deliver the excellence. This is the main reason that we have ended up in mediocre performance.
Hello everyone, this is Sayed Hassan, CEO Grow with Sayed Global Alliance. I welcome you to my podcast. Our podcast topic is Career Talent by Type, Triple T. This is our first episode. Grow with Sayed Global Alliance is a platform which is providing the best experts for the self-help, and they are providing the expertise on this platform, and we are giving a beautiful message to the common peoples, or all peoples, entire universe, that we are the best creatures made by the best creator, and we can do the best in our life if we can understand it. This is the first initiative taken by Grow with Sagar, and in this initiative, we are really happy and tell about and warmly welcome the expert in personality type, Mr. Dr. Kamrul Hassan, who has been in this profession from last 20 years. A great story of Dr. Kamar, starting from a normal medicine doctor and with that direct opposition of the father, parents, even the wife and other things. But he started the new way of knowing the people and telling the others what the best they can do if they know others and their beloved ones. I really welcome Dr. Kamar in this episode.
Ji,
Dr. Kamar sir, thank you very much for joining
most
Grow with
welcome for
Sayed on
inviting.
this all international brand project. And we are here to help many of the peoples with the personality type. These things were new for me when I came to know about you, and but very happy now. I'm really feeling confidence by knowing myself and knowing many others, and my life is now getting very, very smooth. Just I want to tell about yourself because the people want to listen from you. Basically, you are. Please.
Ji, thank you very much, Sid bhai, for all the arrangements and inviting me to Dubai and all this great joint venture. And I wish, inshallah, that this will the light of this engagement and partnership and establishment will reach all the corners of the world, and people will get benefit from it. As far as my introduction is concerned, I'm a medical doctor. I graduated from Sindh Medical College in 1995, and after working in different specialties like gastroenterology, cardiology, and mental health research and psychiatry, uh, I started my career in personality type. And the story is that when I was working with psychiatry and different discipline, my key observation was that people are unable to understand the reason behind all the mishappenings, all the deficiencies is just one, that people are unable to understand themselves and the people around them. Failure of human being to appreciate and celebrate human differences is, according to my analysis, was the key deficiency in the world. And in 2004, while I was attending a leadership seminar of late Ramiz Allawala, uh, I learned about personality types, that people are of different types, and it is possible now that we can appreciate different type of people and we can celebrate our differences. And at that very moment, I have taken this decision that I will spend the rest of my life in spreading this light of human insight in the world, so that people can live happily and effectively. And this is the story that it's been now about 20 years, and I worked in extensively in Pakistan in educational sector and corporate sector, and uh, in many different domain. And now we are here to take this lamp of light, take this insight to all over the world, different part of the world, with Sayyid Saab and Grow with Sayyid together with you, inshallah.
Thank you, Raksa, for all these great words. And uh, it's really amazing when you told the story that many of the people have a dream to become the doctor, and you just left that job and just started something. And today I choose a topic, and topic is only just the humans. with yourself, we would like to understand what the humans are basically. So in this case, first of all, I would like to have a very crispy question: why we are made? Why humans are made? Means
Basically, humans are designed by the best creator in the best form to deliver the excellence in this world. This is the key purpose, which I believe. They are designed to deliver the best. They are designed to deliver the excellence. And because of our ignorance of self-understanding and understanding other people, we are really struggling behind. And this is the main reason that we have ended up in mediocre performance, and that is the main reason of all stress and failure and many psychiatric and psychological and physical illnesses. And this is the basis of my decision that when I observed that people are getting ill physically and mentally just because of their failures in their life, achievements and relationship. And when I discovered solution, that is understanding themselves and others, I decided to prevent people from all these happenings, so that because I believe, very strongly believe, that being happy and healthy and successful in this world is not a big deal. Being happy, healthy and successful in this world is not a big deal. We are designed to be happy, healthy and successful.
means the humans are made to be happy,
Yes,
healthy, and
yes,
successful.
yes, yes.
Great. So another question comes in my mind. So I can conclude that we are the best creation on the planet Earth.
Yes, human beings are the best creation on this earth, and they are gifted with all the talents and abilities that are required for their success and happiness.
Okay, that's so if we are the best creatures from the best creator on the world, so what is the biggest source of profit for a human?
I mean, this is a very important question that we should realize that all the human beings expect happiness and profits and good things from other human beings. And the dilemma is that we fail to understand that human being. And our all expectations are on assumptions. We don't do anything on assumptions in rest of our life. I mean, if we eat banana or if we eat apple, we strongly believe that we are eating apple. There is no assumption in it because we identify that it's banana, it's apple, it's mango. I mean, when we plant a money plant or any plant, we have very strong belief that it's a money plant, it's a rose plant, or it's something. But when we deal with people which are who are the most important, I mean, personalities in our life, all our happiness and profits are related with them, and the problem is that the dilemma is that we don't understand them.
So
But the
me,
good news is that we can now understand them.
okay. So the biggest profit given by us humans, and
Definitely.
who is giving us the biggest loss?
Yes, yes. I mean, if I recall my last 53 years of journey in life, I mean, if I receive pain, that would definitely the source of that pain was humans. And if whatever happiness I have received, the source of those happiness were
So
also
who is my best friend?
humans.
Wow, wow. And who is my worst enemy?
I mean, definitely they are the humans. I mean, but now I believe that failure to understand this human, failure to understand the diversity, because people are different. We all believe, but this is the main issue.
So my best beloved ones
Mm,
are the humans.
definitely,
Wow. So most hated ones are the humans.
are the humans.
And best comfort given by,
Humans. Yes, yes, yes.
and as you were saying, unforgettable pain given by,
Yeah, human beings.
and most connecting entity on the planet Earth which I'm connecting.
Human beings.
Oh, so why I am not understanding this, and where I am and the whole world is spending their researches and the time, where we are spending.
Beautiful question that we are really spending all our resources, and we are in search of happiness and success in those things where the happiness and success is not there. And I think people are in they have believed that we can't understand humans. They are not spending their resources, time and energy to understand humans. And I think this is the biggest problem at the current moment. And the importance of this problem is that if we don't understand humans, the existence of this planet Earth is in danger.
Great. Means the most ignorant part, which we are ignorant by anyhow,
Yes.
without this education, without any other awareness, those are only the humans. And see, from my childhood still now, I just only came to know two type of the humans, either good or bad. Means we just told he is bad, he is good,
No, no.
and for sometimes that good person is bad for someone other, and the
Yes.
person who is bad for me, he is good for someone other.
Yes.
So I'm confused.
I mean, very good question. I mean, as people are different and people are of 16 different definable types, the fact is, whenever, I mean, people only understand and appreciate and can differentiate and celebrate only people of their type. When anyone sees a person of and thinking and communicating a person in their manner, they have great understanding. They feel that they are good, and if they find anyone different, and if they different and talking in different style, in different way, we find them bad. So I mean, this failure to understand and appreciate the human types uh, resulted in this commonly judgmental words that people are good or bad. But people are not good or people are bad. All people are designed in an excellent manner, but they are different, they are predictable, and designed for excellence and success.
Oh, great. Means it's opening my eyes in another way that for sometimes when we used to be small, so our parents used to say that you have to become doctor, you have to become engineer. And if somebody asks from our parents, why you want your kid to be big doctor? And the parent is saying, proudly saying, because I could not become the doctor. So I want my daughter, my son to be doctor. So this all is related to the types, right?
Yes, this all. They parents are the best people who love us the most, and they think like this because they love us the most. They want the best for us. But the problem is that they fail to understand the talent hidden in their children. They fail to understand themselves as well. Uh, they talk in a very secure manner that being a doctor is a very secure profession. They want their children to be healthcare professionals so that even they can get a job and being respected in the society. So their thinking is highly respected. But people are different, and all the children are best. They can deliver the best if they are allowed to being developed and express their talents in a right way, in the appropriate manner.
Daksab, thank you very much. This was really amazing talk with you in our
Most
first episode. In the
welcome.
next
And
episode, we have different topics, and we will be taking your wisdom and spreading it overall in the world.
thank you
And
very
from
much.
our
You are
side,
most welcome.
it will be a
And
contribution, giving back to the society.
yes,
And if somebody is there to know much more about, he can contact to our teams, to our social media teams. Many things are there they can connect. Hello, everyone, and see you in the next episode. Most probably with a very great topic, but our main topic will be Trayer talent by type. We are on the mission to tell each and everyone what the talents Trayers they have. They should have a Trayer in their pocket by knowing themselves, and then they can find the best destinations of their lives. Thank you.